Today we discuss about rate limiting concept in Laravel. So we are having main topics like introduction, basic usage, and apart from this we are having subtopics like cache configuration, manually incrementing attempts, clearing attempts. So let's see one by one. So introduction part. In this we are having rate limiting, so with which we can control the amount of traffic for a given route. So in this tutorial, in this session, we are going to discuss about rate limiting in conjunction with the cache configuration, how we are going to use rate limiting packet methods in order to control the traffic along with this cache configuration. So we are having different methods like attempt method, too many attempts method, remaining method, increment method, available in method, clear method. So these are all the important methods that are available in rate limiting concept. So before going to these methods, first of all we have to configure the cache configure in cache configuration file of Laravel. So we are having a default option, limiter options in order to configure the cache for rate limiter. So in the default option we will be configuring the cache store as database, like this default environment variable of cache underscore store database as a second parameter. Now another option is limiter for rate limiter option, key option we will be mentioning Redis. So like this we will be configuring the cache, and once we configure, so now we see how we are going to use different methods in rate limiting. So attempt method. So attempt method, it returns one of the three possible values like false, true, or callback result. So the attempt method returns false when the callback has no remaining attempts available. Otherwise the attempt method will return either callback's result or true. So the first argument accepted by the attempt method is a rate limiter key, which may be any string of our choosing that represents the action being rate limited. So next we are having one option called decay rate. So we may provide a fourth argument to the attempt method, which is the decay rate, or the number of seconds until the available attempts are reset. Until the attempts are reset, so we will be using decay rate. So with that we will be setting the fourth option to the attempt method as a decay rate. Next we see too many attempts method. So when rate limiter key exceeds the maximum number of allowed attempts per minute, so then we will be using too many attempts method. Next we are having remaining method, so with which we can retrieve the number of attempts remaining for a given rate limiter key. So this is the advantage with remaining method, retrieving the number of attempts remaining for a given key. Next we are having available in method. Available in method returns the number of seconds remaining until more attempts will be available. Remaining method will return the number of attempts remaining. Here available in method returns the number of seconds remaining. So this is the main difference between the remaining method and available in method. Now we see clearing attempts. We may reset the number of attempts for a given rate limiter key using the clear method. Resetting the rate limiter key attempts. So what? Resetting the number of attempts for a given rate limiter key. This is the advantage with clear method. So this is all about rate limiting concept in Laravel. Thank you so much. Thanks to all of my fans, supporters and followers, and special thanks to my YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Universal Horse Star Ravindar Reddy Yampalla. These are the main topics and subtopics, including rate limiter methods, whatever we have discussed now, attempt method, too many attempts method, remaining method, available in method, clear method, increment method. So these are all the very important methods in rate limiting concept in Laravel. So thank you so much. This is all about rate limiting concept in Laravel. Once again thanks to all of my fans, supporters and followers, and special thanks to all of my YouTube subscribers. This is Universal Horse Star Ravindar Reddy Yampalla. Thank you so much.